Alright, the global warming piece got me thinking about the hydrogen deal again, and I hate to get on that because it seems so obvious to me that hydrogen is the way to go. It's a super simple gas to make, all right. And the problems that they give us for having with hydrogen is that large quantities of it in one place is dangerous. And that's very true. Large quantities of that stuff in one place is quite dangerous. It's a gas. It's hard to move around. Trucking it's going to be very problematic. Building a pipeline everywhere is a problem. But you see, they're thinking about it like a big oil company would, that you have a centralized refining of the oil. You have one big plant that makes all the hydrogen, and then you spread. It's that you don't have to deal with hydrogen that way. We can make it ourselves. It's a personal hydrogen generator. It is the product, the device that frees us. It set the world free. I'm telling you, it really would. It would change fundamentally the way that we are, because we'd have all the power that we need. Now they jerk with us over the electricity. See, you need electricity and water to make hydrogen. That's it. Okay, and a device. A device. You need the device. We all got water. We got plenty of water, I think. We should probably do some studies and see how much water we be using and whatnot, and just make sure that we're all right there. But I can't see it being much of a problem. And the electricity is an easily answerable issue also, because electricity's very easy to make also. We got that handled. We know how to make electricity. And we bailed on the nuclear. All right, you go back to the nuclear power. I don't know why they didn't want us to have nuclear, but I don't really see any big problems with the nuclear power other than the moronic management of it. And I got ideas on that too. But I'm going to stick with the hydrogen here. So you got this box that makes hydrogen for you out in your garage. I mean, my God, that'd be sweet. You can heat your house with it. And there's a multitude of ways that you can convert that hydrogen into packing my behind around. Trucks and cars and whatnot are the problem. We got to have transportation, but it costs so much, to burn the oil up. The oil, burning the oil up is what I think going to be the biggest problem to come. That's going to be the nail in our coffin. Is we're going to wake up one day and there's going to be some massive shortage of oil, real or otherwise, doesn't matter. But that's the end of that. It's going to get ugly when there's no oil, and that's what's going to happen. Global warming and our health care and all this happy ass horse shit's going to be completely irrelevant. And I just never hear anyone say that oil is a valuable resource that needs to be preserved for the future. I'm not talking about, for me next week. I'm talking, 50 years from now, history's going to record this time as the batch of jackasses that burnt up all the oil. I can guarantee you that 100, 200 years from now, if humans are still on the face of the planet, there's going to be the dinosaur period and the Stone Age and the Iron Age and the jackasses that burnt up all the oil age, because we make everything else out of it. We have to have it to make things with, and with that, when you ain't got it for your car, you ain't got it for that stuff neither. You see, is the problem.